Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Instagram account permanently. Alright guys, first of all, open your Instagram application on your phone, and after that you have to open your Instagram profile. So you can tap on this profile button, and then you're going to click on this three lines button on the top right corner of your screen, and then select settings and privacy. And on the settings and privacy, you have to choose the account center. Okay, and you have to click on the personal details option, this one. And after that, you can click on account ownership and control, and click on deactivation or deletion, and click on your account. And since we want to delete the Instagram account, we can tap on delete account. Okay, and after that we just need to click on continue. And alright guys, that's how we can delete Instagram accounts permanently. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.